How to get started with AI and machine learning. Are you interested in learning about AI and machine learning? Here's a guide on how to get started. From learning the basics to working on real-world problems. This guide will help you get up to speed with AI and machine learning. Start by learning the basics of AI and machine learning, including linear algebra, calculus, statistics, probability, and programming languages like Python. AI has many domains, including computer vision, natural language processing, robotics, and game development. Choose a domain that interests you and start exploring. Enroll in online courses, such as those offered by edX, Coursera, or Udacity, to gain a comprehensive understanding of AI and machine learning. Practice programming AI algorithms and build your own AI projects. Kaggle and GitHub are great resources to find datasets and connect with other AI enthusiasts. Participate in AI competitions to challenge yourself and gain practical experience. Kaggle and AI hackathons are great places to start. Attend AI conferences to learn from experts. Network with peers. And stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements. Read research papers from top AI conferences and journals, such as NeurIPS, ICML, and Nature, to gain a deeper understanding of AI and machine learning. Join AI communities, such as the AI subreddit, AI Stack Exchange, and OpenAI, to connect with other AI enthusiasts and ask for help. Work on real-world problems, such as predicting stock prices or diagnosing diseases, to apply your AI knowledge in a practical setting. AI is a rapidly evolving field, so it's important to never stop learning. Stay curious, keep exploring, and continue to expand your knowledge and skills. By following these steps, you can get started with AI and machine learning. Learning the basics, choosing a domain, taking courses, practicing, participating in competitions, attending conferences, reading papers, joining AI communities, and working on real-world problems are all great ways to get started.